Well, hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, been a moment or 40 or 50 since we've done a knife review on the channel, right? So, this one is going to be a little bit interesting. We have something by Lothar Knives. It's called their Phoenix Folding Blade. I got to give you a little bit of backstory, then we're going to get into all the fun parts. All right, matter of fact, before I even give you the rest of the backstory, because some people get crabby, there's the blade. It is a really, really big, monster, honking folding blade. Now, these guys reached out to me on my Instagram channel and went, hey, we love what you're doing. We would love to send you a blade for a review. Okay, no problem. In the back of my mind, I'm going, let's see if this actually happens, because when you start gaining traction on your YouTube channel, people will reach out and go, hey, we'd love to send you stuff. Most don't. But the ones that do, you're always getting a fair and unbiased review from me. So, there's the back of the box. Okay. And yeah, as you can tell, made in China. Alright, no big deal, especially with all that fun stuff like right there. You stay there. When I open up the envelope, I guess it's basically, I don't know, shipping, tracking, whatever. But there's that. Inside the box, it came tucked away with neat little, star wrench, whatever, for tightening the screws and everything. A little instruction guide, and your little chamois wipe down cloth. So, not bad. More than I actually expected, to be honest. I was actually shocked when this thing arrived. Now, it is a big boy, but it's not any bigger than the Taco Viper I just recently reviewed, or a little while ago, the CRKT Clever Girl Folder. It's about... It kind of reminds me of that, but it also reminds me of, okay, I basically have a fixed blade in my pocket that folds. It's pretty huge. So, let's get into the fun stuff like we usually do on the channel, okay? So you can find this on Amazon and at lotharknife.com. From doing the digging and the homework and all that fun stuff, looks like they got founded in about 2016 in order to make blades that knife owners would be proud to own. Their mission statement is kind of the same thing. It's to give customers better blades and more fun with the blades. I do like the black on black. The one thing I don't like, and it's just me, there's no pocket clip. If you're going to give me a big honker like this, I want a pocket clip. I do. I get it, some people don't like them because the wear and tear on the pockets and, the fraying and everything. I want it secured somewhere. I don't want it bouncing around. Now let's get to the stats and the other great fun stuff like we usually do. It's got an overall length of about 10.2 inches, like I said, big for a folder in your pocket. The blade's about 4.7, closed, it's about 6.4. Okay, here's my first problem. On Lothar Knives, it's 6.68 ounces. On Amazon, which is sold by Lothar Knives, it's 8.4. You take that for what you want. I doubt they're going, this is together on Amazon, but this is just on Lothar. But that's just me. Take it for how you will. I like to cover all the options and give you the most detailed info that I can give you. Now, they call this a Bowie knife clip point style. To me, it looked kind of like a drop point, but I'll leave that up to you guys. It's got a plain edge with a black finish. To be honest, to me that looks kind of like a flat grind, but I'm sure somebody out there is going to tell me what an idiot I am and give me the right one. According to Lothar, it is D2 steel. As you can see by that too, it's got, basically embossed in the blade, but they say it's D2 steel. Now we get into another problem. On lotharknives.com, it's got a 62 Rockwell rating. On Amazon, it says 57 to 59. You make your own decision. It does tell me it has a ball bearing assisted opening, which I have yet to break everything down and take a look on the inside just to verify, to be straightforward honest. I like how they call this an anti-skid flipper. I like how there's nothing down here, okay, to keep your finger from going forward, but up here, it's got the anti-skid. I did like the fuller in there. I thought that was a little neat addition to give it a different look. We do have basically grooved out G10 scales. I did like the feel in hand. It felt really good, and it felt like my hand, the big old paw, just really got it in there, and it didn't want to move. We do have a liner lock, as you can see, a lanyard hole, and this is the bead it came with, a big old lion. Kind of cool, right? And yes, it is made in China. Now, like they say, they do give you a lifetime warranty against material and workmanship defects. So I thought that was okay, kind of cool. Now, let's get to some cut tests. We're going to do 3. Why do we do these 3? Take a look right up there. It's going to be why I do those cut tests. But before we do them, we have to honor some old traditions. That's right, the Magic 8 Ball is back. Oh, Magic 8 Ball, will this cut test go painlessly? Bill Rivers, can you please leave my 8 ball alone? Seriously, Bill, can you? Could you please? Okay. First up, like we always do, let's get this out of the way because you're going to be going to a new home soon. That's right. This is going to be rehomed very soon. Heavy duty stock paper. Ooh, for all you ASMR people. There you go. Now let's see if we can get a curlicue. I screwed that up. Okay. You can see it started to. Right there. Big reason why I like going for curlicues is anybody can just grab a blade and go sharp. But if you drag that across real slow, maintain your edge angle. As you can see right there where that one did it, that paper should start to pull back in on itself like that and kind of curl around. That's trying to show you there's no pitch, chips, microabrasions, that fun stuff. All right, I've been dreading this one. I really have. The River's Revenge. And this is that cheap Universal Survival Tech paracord you get at a Walmart. And I can already feel some bumps in there, so I'm going to say this nicely. If this pull test comes back at the camera, I'm very sorry ahead of time. All right, so pull. God damn! Oh. Yeah, okay. No comment. Shut up, Bill. Slice. See, now that slice looks better than the other side. But still. Alright. The man of the hour. The tower of power. The only reason you even watch my knife reviews. Mr. Ratchet Strap. I know he's more popular than I am. I've dealt with it. Pretty clean, pretty cool. Okay. Now, let's take a look. Not really seeing any snowfall on the blade. I mean, I see some small stuff. No paracord, no anything else. Okay. Now, I did the homework on this guy on April 10th, 2023. Yes, I couldn't remember what month it is. Leave me alone. I looked on LotharKnives.com and on Amazon. On Amazon, it's currently on sale. And oh, by the way, I'm filming this on April 12th. So it's as of that point, it was on sale for $49.99 on Lothar Knives, regularly $65.99. I didn't see any reviews, any ratings, any of that fun stuff on Lothar Knives. On Amazon, it's $35.99, Prime, 1 day eligible. It's been reviewed 64 times for a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. Now, speaking of paying tributes to the past, we kind of have to do this. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff down below. Do you think this one is nice? I found them again. I'm kind of happy I did some cleaning. Or do you think this one's an F-bomb? Is it nice or an F-bomb? I have no issue with it other than the pocket clip. It's really not in my style, so it will be part of an auction coming up on Jersey Joe's YouTube channel, Jersey Joe 973, on May 23rd. Go to his Instagram account, take a look there. If you guys see it after that, I'm sorry, it's going to be gone. It's going to be part of the auction to help raise awareness for NFT. It's like neurofibroma malnutrition. It's a big, long thing, all right? Joe explains it a lot better than I ever could. So go check him out. He's going to break everything down for you. It's going to be part of that auction. Would I recommend you go out and buy it? Why not? If you like collecting weird blades and different kind of blades, why not grab one? You know? Don't at me with that, oh, it's made in China, you're not a real knife guy. I don't know any knife guy who doesn't want a stabby. I don't. As long as it cuts and it stays together okay and it fits in your budget, you're good to go. Now, if I made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. But guys, there we go. The Lothar Knives Phoenix. I want to thank you so much for watching this one. I hope you're having a great day today, a safe day today, and I look forward to seeing all of you in our very next video.